Let's open the gift.
Open. What's it?
Open.
Open. Wow. Even Josh is here.
Yep.
F-E-U-E-M-I-A. Finish.
Yeah. Fisher Price.
Yes, let's see the open one.
Yeah, let's open it.
It's sure now. Josh is here in Emma.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yay!
Let's see the open one.
Let's open it. Let's take out this one.
Sure.
You want to do by yourself?
Yay! Good job. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Whoa.
Wow.
Wow, it's
Wow.
Justin.
Yeah. Awesome.
What is it?
Okay.
That's the instruction guide.
What's the deal?
What's this?
Under the wheel one's here.
Oh, another one.
Wow, these are
Oh.
Justin right now.
Surprise!
What's
There's a lot of things.
Green.
Surprise!
Wheel.
Yeah.
Let's even this.
Mm-hmm.
Even Joy's here.
Oh, big. Okay, what is this? Oh, those are stickers.
Even the wheel here. Even the bike here.
Yeah.
These are all the things.
Now let's set up the real axle tire. See, what should we do? See?
And they should sleep it
Where's the
all.
other one?
Oh, we need to stop it.
Okay.
Let's see if it over there.
Now let's put the one tire under the seat. Yay!
Let's just
We did that. Let's attach the another tire. Yay!
Ooh.
Let's do it.
Now we're gonna mess it back. Wee!
Let's make the tire steel using this knot. Now let's fit the two pedal halves into the pedal tab.
One drink. Now, what's it called? I'm some more. Let's see open.
Make sure the tab fits into the slot in each pedal hub. Assembly the front wheel between the fork arms. To tighten it, we use the screw.
Hey, that's a brother.
Now let's insert the frame post through the hole in the neck of the frame. Let's do it. Let's also attach the handle with the frame using this screw. Are you excited to play with it, Aaron, already? See? Yay, it's time to screw the nut. Now let's complete the last step. We're gonna fit the handlebar tightly with the screw knot.
Last drink.
Yeah, that's the handle you're gonna use to turn left and right. Yay, it's almost ready. Now time to put some stickers.
Jocelyn.
Yeah.
Where's it?
Let's put some stickers.
Yay!
Look at
Let's do
this.
it. Yeah.
Yay! nice.
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna put that in the front of the
Here.
bike. Let's do it.
This.
Like this.
Yes, Aaron. Good job. You did it.
You're the bike here.
Yeah.
Never miss out. Here's my dish over. Here's some deer. Mama,
Yeah, that's a Harley Davidson cycle.
Right here.
what deer?
Right here.
Yeah,
Like this?
right here,
Like this.
look. See? It looks so cool. Yeah.
This is A1.
Your cycle gonna look awesome, baby. Let's put some fire sticker in the back of the cycle. Yay! See, it looks so awesome. Yay! Wow! Yay! You are so happy now. Do you like it?
Yeah!
Are you happy?
I'm happy here.
Okay. See.
Beer.